Okay, in this video I will explain about output statement in Java. Output statement in Java. Okay, so the statement which is used to print anything is called as output statement. So what is the output statement? So like C, print and println. Print and println are the two methods used to print anything in Java. So print is used to print in the same line. So whereas println used to print the statement in the next line. So like slash n we use println in the Java. Okay. So as this is a Java is a pure object oriented. Even these two methods are present in a class and we have to call these methods by using object. Okay, these two methods are present in output stream class output stream. Okay, so in this there are two classes. First one is two methods, that is print and println. Okay, this print method and println methods are used to print. These two methods are present in output stream class. So to call these two methods we have to create the object. Okay, so output stream output stream out. So this is the class name, this is the object name, but this object is predefined in the class system. Okay, and this is the static object. Okay, public static object. So like this it is declared. Okay, how to call this method? Out dot print because this is the object, this is the method. So to call any method we have to use our object name out dot print or out dot println, but this out object is present in system class, so you have to write like this out dot print. So this is present in system class, so you have to write like this system dot out dot print or system dot out dot println. Okay, so in Java these two are the statements for printing anything. So output statements in Java is system dot out dot print, whereas system is a class, out is the object, print is a method. Okay, so how to print anything? So syntax, I am writing the syntax. Okay, system dot out dot print some text. Okay, and so I am writing one thing, integer plus integer becomes integer, and here calculation will be done. And one more, string plus string, so we will get string. Here concatenation will be done, concatenation, combination of string. For example 10 plus 20, you will get calculation, that is 30. And in second situation, A is the first string and B is the second string, so you will get concatenation, that is AB. Okay, so and one more I am writing, string plus integer. So what you will get? For example, A is there and 20 is there. So string plus integer is always string in Java, so you will get here also concatenation will be done, that is combination. A20 is the answer you will get. Okay, why I am telling this means, so you will know very easily. So for example, I want to print one text, so you have to write system dot out dot print. So what you have to write? For example, I am writing Java, this is directly printed, system dot out dot print. So I am declaring one variable here, int a equal to some 27. I want to print the value 27. So to print anything, system dot out dot print. So directly you write the variable name. So here a is the variable name, the value present in variable will be printed. I am writing one more statement, system dot out dot println. See here, a equal to plus a. So the text written inside double quotes will be printed as it is. So this is a string. plus a is the integer value. String plus integer becomes string. That means a value will be added to this one. So a equal to is a string, and a value what is 27 is added to 7. So you will get a equal to 27. Okay. So I am writing like this: system.out.println value of a is plus a. So you will get value of a is value of a is 27. Right, like this you can do system.out.println. For example, I am writing like this: system.out.println addition equal to, here a value is 5, b value is 6. What is the answer you will get? So you will get here and here string plus integer. So you will get string. That means addition added to this one, addition equal to some 5. This is the, up to this it is a string. Again string plus integer becomes string. So you will get addition equal to 5 is the first string plus integer is added. So you will get addition equal to 5, 6.